This is Go MMT Radio.
Go MMT Radio. Let's go.
Powered by Make My Trip, Go IBBO and Redbus.
क्या हुआ है? बधाई हो, गो ट्रिपर हुआ है।
Welcoming new Go Tripper in the family.
Let's go.
द शो इज कॉल्ड बधाई हो, जो कि हफ्ते की शुरुआत में होती है और मैं बधाई देती हूँ टू द न्यू कमर who's just joined the MMT family. On the show today with me, who's joined about 2.5 months ago, is Srishti Batra. She is in the online marketing department based out of Gurgaon. Srishti, it is so nice to have you on the show. Welcome.
Thank you so much, Annie, and thank you for inviting me.
सृष्टि, तो ये आपका तो मतलब वर्क वाइज या जॉब वाइज सेकंड जॉब है, इससे पहले कहाँ थे?
मैं एक स्टार्टअप कंपनी में थी, वो एडटेक कंपनी थी, Z1 Tech. Pretty good experience, learned a lot, but I was in sales profile earlier. Yeah,
Wow,
now I have switched to marketing.
Yeah, from sales to marketing, not bad. ये स्विच अच्छा लग रहा है आपको?
Definitely.
इन टर्म्स ऑफ कि आपकी क्रिएटिव जूसेस यहाँ पर ज्यादा इस्तेमाल होगा और
Right.
इस्तेमाल करोगे. इज दैट व्हाट यू हैड ऑन योर माइंड?
Sure. From the very beginning of my career, like when I was doing MBA, I was more inclined towards marketing, but it is said कि sales हमेशा आपको करनी ही पड़ेगा अगर आपको marketing में घुसना है. अगर आप कस्टमर को नहीं जान पाएंगे तो आप marketing नहीं कर सकते. तो yeah, every experience is important to build you.
Go MMT Radio.
Channel your creativity and caring to bring a smile to your customer today. Hello, I am Prakash Sangam and you're listening to Go MMT Radio. Head, set, go.
क्वार्टर प्लानिंग तो हो जाएगी, बट वीकेंड प्लानिंग कब करोगे दोस्त?
You serious?
Go MMT Radio. Let's go.
क्या हुआ है? बधाई हो, गो ट्रिपर हुआ है।
Welcoming new Go Tripper in the family.
Let's go.
सृष्टि बत्रा मेरे साथ अब मौजूद हैं शो पर, जिसका नाम है बधाई हो। इन्हें बधाई देते हुए पूरा शो करूंगी। ऑनलाइन मार्केटिंग डिपार्टमेंट में है, बेस्ड आउट ऑफ गुड़गांव। सो दिस इज वेयर वी विल प्ले अ क्विज फर्स्ट। आर यू रेडी फॉर दिस? बिटवीन बॉलीवुड एंड जीके, यू एक्चुअली पिक्ड जीके, व्हिच आई एम हैप्पी अबाउट।
Yes, let's go for it.
How many vowels are there in the English alphabet, and if you can name them?
5 A O E I U.
क्या बात है। Who is known as the king of the jungle?
Lion,
That is correct. Do you know the national bird of India?
peacock.
Oh, good. Do you know who wrote the national anthem?
Rabindranath Tagore.
That is correct. Do you know what is acrophobia? What is it a fear of?
No, I don't know about it.
Give it a wild guess.
Maybe most popular is heights.
That is
Fear of
correct.
heights.
क्या बात है, तुक्का मारा लेकिन वो भी सही निकला.
Yeah, majority of the people have the phobia of heights, so that's why it was my number one guess.
Very good. What is a word, phrase, or number, or other sequence of characters that can be read the same backward as you can read it forward? उसको बोलते क्या है? एक word है उसके लिए. I know this is a tough one, but if you push your memory a little bit, I'm sure it'll come to you.
I really don't know. Let me just think. I really don't know about
Okay.
it.
No worries, but this was, I think, one of the toughest questions I've asked anybody. It's palindrome.
Palindrome. Okay.
Yes,
I learned a
palindrome.
new word today.
For instance, you have the word Malayalam, which is on the other way around, also read as Malayalam, even if you read it back to front.
Okay.
Do you have any idea as to what company, this is a sports shoes company, that's a clue I'm giving you, which was initially known as Blue Ribbon Sports? कोई idea है? वो एक idea again. किसी एक का नाम ले लो.
Famous, like
Yeah, very famous amongst the top
Nike.
two. Yeah.
Nike. My first guess is right.
Yes. Once again, your first guess is right. Blue Ribbon Sports is what they used to be called before, till it became Nike a few years later. Any idea what the capital of France is?
Paris.
That is correct. Okay, and the last question. Can you tell me which is the largest ocean in the world?
Pacific Ocean.
Yes, that is correct. Congratulations. क्या बात है, बहुत अच्छे से आपने परफॉर्म किया है.
Good morning, Make My Trip. This is Vrinder Sehwag on your very own Go MMT Radio. Get set, go.
क्या हुआ है?
बधाई हो, Go Tripper हुआ है.
Welcoming new Go Tripper in the family.
Go.
On the show बधाई हो with सृष्टि बत्रा, ऑनलाइन मार्केटिंग डिपार्टमेंट बेस्ड आउट ऑफ गुड़गांव. तो सृष्टि, इससे पहले भी आप स्टार्टअप में थे और स्टार्टअप में होने का मुझे लगता है प्लस ये होता है दैट यू गेट टू लर्न एवरीथिंग फ्रॉम द वेरी बेसिक एंड यू प्रोबेबली एंड अप डूइंग अ लॉट मोर देन व्हाट इज एक्सपेक्टेड ऑफ यू, करेक्ट?
That is correct.
And so I think you learn a lot. Was that an exciting, also tiring, I'm sure, but was it exciting for you?
Yeah, definitely. As I was in sales profile, I was an introvert. I used to get nervous talking to new people. So in that, my personality developed, like
Nice.
talking to the people, building the network. And yes, sales job is very pressurized and you have targets, but with time you get used to it.
लवली. तो मुझे बताइए MMT में आने के बाद आपका जो रोल है उसके बारे में थोड़ा सा हमें बताइए.
So now I am in AdTech operations part, strategy and operations. So it is like I am a fresher in it. I was not very much familiar with the terms. So it is like starting from the beginning again. The team was very helpful and supportive, and they gave me the time to learn and to adapt to the new profile.
क्या हुआ है?
बधाई हो, Go Tripper हुआ है.
Welcoming new Go Tripper in the family.
Go.
दिस इज गो MMT रेडियो. द नेम ऑफ द शो इज बधाई हो और मेरे साथ सृष्टि बत्रा मौजूद है, ऑनलाइन मार्केटिंग डिपार्टमेंट बेस्ड आउट ऑफ गुड़गांव. सृष्टि, इट्स जस्ट बीन 2.5 months but you sound energetic and excited already about being at MMT. So please tell me about the immersion induction programs.
Oh, it was like a 5-week immersion program. Like the first 4 days were meeting with all the leadership at MMT, and it was a great experience, I would say. Like I got to know more about MMT in depth because to see what we have been through and what all we made the progress in the company and where we started now, where are we? So everything was very much impactful for me because if we see the leaders are doing so much, we get motivated by them. So at the very beginning of my job, I got to meet with them, and I'm just grateful for the MMT HR team for the immersion program and making us meet all the leadership at MMT.
So in your job here, because you're in the marketing department, I think it's a little different from where you had to face the clients one-on-one. So tell us what is unique about this job right now.
So earlier as in sales, it was just networking and just interacting with people. But now in marketing profile, I am more into the brand awareness and the visibility, how to increase it and do the impactful work for the company.
रिज तुम में है नहीं और अपना बढ़ा लो ना. स्किविडी सा अपना है ये गो MMT रेडियो. ओहायो में हमने बनाया, 6-7 years चलेगा. लबूबू लेके बैठो, माचा पी लो, ड्रिप पहनो और सुनो गो MMT रेडियो.
So what are you guys talking about?
Go MMT Radio. Go.
क्या हुआ है?
बधाई हो, Go Tripper हुआ है.
Welcoming new Go Tripper in the family.
Go.
द नेम ऑफ द शो इज बधाई हो. सृष्टि बत्रा मेरे साथ है और ये आखिरी सेगमेंट है जहाँ पे फिर एक बार एक गेम होने जा रहा है. सृष्टि, दिस इज ऑल अबाउट गिविंग मी द रॉन्ग आंसर्स टू एवरी करेक्ट क्वेश्चन दैट आई एम आस्किंग यू. डू यू थिंक यू आर अप फॉर इट?
Yes, definitely.
All right, let's make it as interesting and exciting as possible.
The rapid fire round.
What is 5 plus 5?
It is 8.
Okay. What is your name?
Yogita.
Where does the sun rise from?
West.
What sound does a dog make? What is water made up of?
O2.
Who is the president of India?
Shivik Kumar.
Okay. What is a laptop used for?
Chilling.
Chilling. How do you make tea?
By watching it.
Oh, not bad. What is the opposite of day?
Evening.
Evening. Who is Batman's sidekick?
Not Robin.
Good. Who is the singer of the song Shape of You?
Elon Musk.
Oh, not bad. What's the best drink for a hot summer day?
Tea.
What's the most famous landmark in the world?
Normal buildings.
And the last question, what do you see in a mirror?
A joker.
वेल डन सृष्टि, क्या बात है. आपने काफी मतलब ये क्रैक करने की कोशिश की है, मुझे लगता है आपने अच्छे से ही किया है. सो कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस एंड आई होप यू एंजॉयड टू.
Definitely. Thank you so much.
Shrishti, this is a new job for you, but you are now in the MMT family. So welcome once again and badhai ho for that. Also wishing you all the very best with the dreams that you have to grow as much as you can here at MMT.
Thank you so much, Annie. Thank you so much.
Shrishti Batra on Badhai Ho, online marketing department based out of Gurgaon. With that, yes, it is a wrap. I will be back the day after tomorrow with the show Go MMT Ki Shaan. This is your host Annie signing off. Keep traveling, keep taking notes of everything you do, everything exciting in your travelogues, and stay cheerful.
To listen to your favorite Go MMT radio from anywhere, follow us on YouTube, LinkedIn, and Instagram. Visit the Go MMT radio page for daily updates and enjoy listening to your favorite radio channel.
Go MMT Radio. Head set go.
Powered by Make My Trip, Go IB Bo, and Redbus.